Today on Device Lab, we're diving into the world of open frame PC cases, highlighting their unique design and functionality. Thermaltake Core P3 stands out with its versatile mounting options, allowing for vertical, horizontal, or wall-mounted setups, making it a showpiece in any setup. Thermaltake Core P3 Pro enhances visibility and cooling with its crystal clear tempered glass panel, perfect for showcasing your PC components. The Cooler Master Masterframe 700 offers a transformative design that can switch between a traditional open-air test bench and a fully customizable display case, catering to both enthusiasts and creative professionals. Don't forget to subscribe to Device Lab for the full video and more insights into the best tech gadgets and gear.